Hello everyone. Today I'm going to describe about the very most important topic. The topic is health is wealth. Everyone know health is a most important things. It's play crucial role in our life and we should manage our healthy lifestyle. How it can possible. Everything is possible when we are consistent and follow the right strategy, then everything is can achievable in our life. So we have to firstly know the road map, right road map. Then we can do anything. So I am going to give you 7 to 6 rules to maintain your healthy lifestyle. So firstly, I'm say something related to health. Your body is your home. Treat it right. Fuel it strength. Keep your goals sight. So let's start it with my first point. Eat clean. You have to eat food, fresh fruit, vegetable, whole grains, and lean protein, avoid junk food, avoid sugar drinks, avoid sugar and too much oil. You have to avoid that all things and you have to reduce the oil. You don't eat much more oil. So number second is stay hydrated. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water every single day. You have to maintain your hydration. It is a very important for in our life. Hydration improves your skin's energy, digestion, and it helps to run brain functions. Really. So maintain your hydration. At least 2 to 3 liters waters every day you have to drink. And number third is move your body. What is this? Like exercise at least 30 minutes every single day. You have to go gym, walking, running, yoga, and anything that keeps you active. You can follow this consistently every single day. That is a more important. Yes. So number fourth is sleep well. That is really important. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. Good sleep boosts immunity, mood, and muscle health. It's help to muscle recover. So sleep is the most important. You have to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every single day. And number five is manage stress. Every person have a dress like anyone thinking about your future, thinking about your family. They are taking stress from any kinds of things, any problem we are facing in our life, then we are taking stress. So we have to manage it. And how we can manage it? So practice meditation, do meditation in the morning, deep breathing, or hobbies. Mental health is equal to overall health. Yes. If you are mentally disturbed, you're not doing anything in a good way, in a proper way. You cannot achieve anything if you are mentally disturbed. Definitely, you are able to achieve something in your life. But if you are mentally disturbed, then you cannot do anything, literally. So you have to maintain your stress with the help of meditation, deep breathing, and any more. So, number six is avoid bad habits. Now, in this era, mostly peoples are basically teenagers are distracted with bad things. They are addicted with bad things. So, how we can reduce the bad things in our life? Definitely, if you are think, then we can do it. If you are think here, then you can do it. So, like mostly peoples are addicted with alcohol, smoking. So you have to quit smoking, limit alcohol, and reduce screen time, especially in night. Now in this era, mostly teenagers are using our smartphone in a night. They are using a smartphone in a night. Like they are not doing right things. They are doing unnecessary things like scrolling reels, watching web series, movies, and someone is talking with our girlfriend. So it is good. All thing is good if you are do in a limit. So you have to focus on this. So reduce the all things slowly, slowly. Do you cannot reduce fastly, but if you are reducing slowly, then you can definitely quit your bad habit. So number seven is regular checkups. Early detection of problems save lives. Get blood tests and health checkup yearly. Yeah, some blood tests are important for our life. We have to check up early, so we can easily with the help of checkup we can easily know about which kinds of problem inside our body, and we can know easily with the help of blood test. So that is all are the related to health. But one thing I am saying, if we are not disciplined in our life, so we cannot manage anything, and we cannot get succeed because we are not disciplined. If you are not disciplined, then how you can do it? Definitely you cannot do it. It is hard for you. You think about, oh my god, how can I do it? So we have to consistent, and we have to motivate, and we have to try to achieve our goal. We are fail again and again, again and again, but no problem. Shut your mouth, close your ear, and do again and again and again. Then one day we are get success in any kinds of field. So this is the related of our health. So if you are think here before in this video, I'm saying you, if you are think here, then you can do it. Definitely. If we think anything, we can do it. It's possible. So guys, any kinds of mistake I'm doing in this video, please do comment in the comment box. I will correct it, and see you with the next Sunday.